Hello everyone, my name is Ryder Slasher, and today we're going to be playing the computer version of Five Nights at Freddy's 3. So let's go on to the bottom of this, shall we? Coming soon, Fazbear's Fright, a horror attraction. Alright. Alright. Come on, how do I move? There I go. Hey! Is that Bonnie? Wait a second, where's Freddy? Oh, is he dead? There's the toy animatrons, they're also dead too! Just no! 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 So? Whoa. Oh my gosh, Foxy, no! There's Chica and the puppet right there! This is getting stranger and stranger. What? No, I was in the middle of the video. Ah, great! Alright. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Wait, what was that? Right there. Mm-hmm. Okay. Did he hang up? He hanged up, everyone. Anything there wrong? Guess not. What was that? It's glitchy right here. Maybe it's just a demo. Oh well. I hope I don't get the pup scared, you guys. It's about to be 6 a.m. Right. Anything wrong? Oh. Can I turn this fan off? Oh. Oh well. It would be cool if we did. Maybe it's in help wanted. What? Yes! I beat night 1! Yeah, career boy. Well, who's there? Show yourself. Oh my gosh. This is the very first time. Follow me. Okay, I'll follow you. Oh, Eric, what just happened? William Afton? What did you do to Freddy? Oh my gosh, I was like this. Okay, this is the night where Springtrap actually comes in. Strikes back. Uh-huh. Oh, boom, 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 board, board. Oh, oh, no, no. Oh, who's there? I thought that guy died in FNAF 1. Or is that a different human? With the same voice? Oh no, I don't trust it. Whatever. Oh, Springtrap. Play audio. Okay. There you go. I guess I finally found him. Gone. I don't think so. Yeah, there you go. Okay, come on. Okay, tricking you, Springy. Yeah, I see you, Springy. Springy. What? Did he go inside the fence? Nope, he's still right there. Okay, this is such a huge challenge. Such a huge challenge, everyone. You hang up? You hang up. Okay, just put it. Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, there he is. There you go. Oh, okay. There he is. It's over 3 a.m. There you go. Little springy. Okay. Okay. Alright. There you go. Uh-oh. Okay, there he is. Okay. Nah, that's what I thought. Right. Okay. I have my eye. I have my eye on you, Springtrap, until it's 6 a.m. Yes. I beat that too. I beat that too. Alright. Oh no, Bonnie. Follow me. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, Freddy. Yo. Yo. Here again. Whoa. Oh.